What's up, guys? Happy 4th of July. Boss man gave me the day off. Gave me some extra money, so go do something nice. So I'm playing with the car right now. Just pretty much just wiped it down, took all that damn algae and dirt off I could. Getting into the engine. Just gonna clean her up and hook a battery up and see what I can do. See if it turns or try to do anything. Shoot it with some damn starting fluid. And we do it all again. But I don't know, man. Let's see what we can do. That thing cleaned up nicely, man. Just hit that motherfucker with that leaf blower. Got through Sabe. The trunk is fucking clean, man. Let me try to open that bitch up. I did have some trouble. Another spare wheel. Ooh. Look at that. Comes with all that bullshit. So we about to get this show on the road, man. I got everything now. I got everything back home. Now just time to put in some work and get her going. Give her a lot of love. And then buy some dices. Well, y'all stay tuned, man. See you around. Another 4th of July update. Put a little battery up in here. Yeah, a little spit shine on the belt. We'll see what happens after I turn her over. If she turns, if she got some fuel, fuck it. Ooh. Signal light action. My baby boy. Let's see the other side. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that feels good. Hey baby, hit the horn. Hit the horn, hit the horn. Hit it. Again. Hit the brake. This one. Can you step on that one? Okay. Good job.
Stop?
Yeah, stop. Ooh, okay. Let's see, one click there. See if that's the bottom fogs. I guess I don't have side of me. That's supposed to be my wiper blade. I guess the motor went out. I'm making a video, mijo, for my people on Insta. On YouTube. Well, that's what we got, man. Checking everything out. Radio, lights work. Good to go. Good to get it inspected, I guess. But I'm just playing, man. I'm about to take this gas tank off and see if it's clean. Try to clean her out, if not, buy a new one. And then work my way up to the motor. Well, I'll get back to you guys. Do it again.
Here. That's your keys.
These are the truck keys. They leave them here.
Now, Gary, how you put it on?
What's up, mi gente? Back with another update. Taking out the fuel tank, cause I'm about to put a fresh one in there. Everything clean, baby. So I just got one strap off one side, the ground cable, and just got one more bolt that's already loosened up. Just got to finish taking her out, pulling the bitch out. Well, I'll see y'all next week, man.